Glassy caramel pudding. Super soft. Yummy super. Let's check out the recipe. 1 liter full cream milk. Boil the milk until it turns into 1/2 cup. Add 1 cup sugar. Add 1/3 cup powdered milk. Mix, mix, mix. Take 1/2 cup sugar and 1/3 cup water in another pot. Boil the mixture slowly until it turns into golden. Just look at the consistency and the color. It looks so yummy. The caramel is ready. Take the caramel in the pot where the pudding is to be made. Let it to be set. Take 4 eggs. Mix it properly. Add the mixture into the milk. Mix it again properly. Add vanilla essence. Again mix, mix. Strain the mixture and pour into the bowl. Cover with a lid. Take a napkin in a container and put the bowl into it. Then, put hot water. Water should be given in such a way that half of the bowl is submerged. Then keep the stove on high heat. Cover the lid and boil for 25-30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check the pudding. If the stick is clean, then your pudding is ready. Refrigerate for 3 hours. Cut the side properly to unlock it from bowl. Serve it in a serving bowl. Tap, tap. Look how beautifully it came out. Your yummy pudding is ready. Look how glassy it is. Cut it to your favorite shape. Enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Press the bell icon to get more exciting videos.